Libra, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have your reading for the month of November. So let's see what energies are going to play out for you in the month of November. Libra, remember this is a general read, so take what resonates and leave what does not for somebody else. This is for the Sun, Moon, Rising sign of Libra. As always, watch all your Sun, Moon, Rising videos. You will get a message in each of them that will give you a clearer and a complete picture about the energies playing out for you. Okay? I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for all your love and support. I am truly grateful. Thank you so much. Also, remember to like this video, share it on your social media, and subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel grow and it helps me bring my messages to more and more people. Thank you so much in advance. All right. In case you're interested in a personal reading, I'll be happy to do it for you. You'll find my contact details in the description box below the video. Also, you'll find links to all my social media in the description box below the video. On my Facebook and on my Instagram, I post motivational and inspirational quotes each and every day. Join me there if you're interested. Also, you'll find link to my other YouTube channel where I post spiritual and motivational videos. Definitely join me there, subscribe and like the videos too. Thank you so much in advance. All right, I hope you're all doing fine, Libra. Wherever you are, stay healthy, stay safe and be happy, my dears. All right, we are ready to rock and roll. Good. So Libra, your November reading, let's jump right in. And you've drawn new moon in Leo. New moons are all about new beginnings, a new chapter, a new phase, a new way of looking at life. Okay, so a different perspective. And you've drawn the card which says confidence is your key to success. Exactly. When we change the way we act, the way we think, what we believe, even the output changes, right? So if we continue doing the same thing, we will get the same kind of result. But if we want a better result, we need to better the thinking process, better the thought process, and better the action, right? So now what helps us in changing things for the better is when we start believing in ourselves, when we have faith in our potential. Often we get sidelined, or we get a little how should we say, confused about how the outer world affects us. Okay, so it dims our light, it dims our confidence, it dims our self-esteem. But the moment we just go within and look at the strength and the potential that you have, your confidence rises up again, your self-esteem rises up again, your self-worth rises up again, and it is not dependent on anything that is outside of us. Okay, and that is the energy that I get, is confidence is the key to your success. It's about believing in yourself, your skills, your tools, your education, your experience, and what you bring to the table. The moment you start looking at it from inside of you, okay, and then you approach the outside of you, then you are coming from a place of confidence. Okay, let's see what other energies are playing out for you. Oh, prosperity card. Don't we all love that? Look at this treasure chest, and you sitting here just admiring all this is yours. And this is number 25, which works out to 7. 7 is a very spiritual number. It is a number where the divine has stepped in the reading and is guiding you. And it talks about prosperity. Let's see what it says. It says prosperity is flowing toward you. So be open to receiving it. And now with the confidence card that you've drawn, the answer, confidence is your key to success. And success may be the monetary success, financial, material success that you're looking at in job, career, finances, stability, security, or it may be prosperity is not just money. It's when we have enough, we can concentrate on making our other areas of our life happier, more joyful. Okay, when there is a lack of finances, it does affect our emotions and it does affect our spirit, not spirituality, it does affect our feelings. Okay, so what you're being told is, you just trust yourself. Have faith in what you are bringing to the table. Prosperity is around you. It is going to flow into your life. You just have to be more open to receive it. When are we open to receive it? When we are going to try something new. Okay? Try a different angle of thinking. Try a different manner of thinking. Okay? So the moment you gain this confidence which is within you, the power is within you. The moment you draw that out, the prosperity that you are looking for will flow into your life. Beautiful, Libra. You can't, I shuffle the cards on the camera. Okay, you are opening the door to romance. Now look at this beautiful door of romance opening up for you. Okay, I hope you can see this better, right? Now, can you see all the beautiful, boudoir kind of image here? And there is a cage and there is a heart, and it's waiting, it's locked, but it is waiting for the key. Now, the key is your confidence. And what opens up is your prosperity. It is in your own hands. And this is, for some of you singles, this could literally mean meeting a romantic partner. This could literally mean sparking of emotions with somebody, okay, and meeting a life partner or a soulmate or a twin flame, whatever label you call it. It's about romance, okay, opening up. For those who are already in a relationship and a marriage, I definitely see you leveling up, the bond strengthening, the love blossoming again, because after a period of time, life becomes a routine, okay? But this is a rekindling of love, rekindling of passion that I can see in your card. And to others who are not looking for romance or a life partner, this is about, as I mentioned to you, this is about the confidence which is the key to unlock this cage that you find yourself in. Okay, a cage where your confidence has dimmed, your light has dimmed. So the moment you unlock and say, no, I am not this. I am confident. I have so much to offer. I am positive about my life and my future. The moment you get into these high vibrational energy, you open the cage and your prosperity is drawn towards you. You become the magnet for the prosperity to come towards you. I love that for you, Libra. And guess this, clinging to the past. Okay, this is the Five of Swords energy, which is Five of Cups energy, which is talking about you feeling that the past was better. You had a good time in the past. You had some beautiful memories of the past where you were successful, where you were more confident. And now with you staying in this energy, that has dimmed your light because your current situation does not look as bright as your past was. But guess what? The moment you know what, your past was better, maybe your present is not so good, but your future definitely looks better. So you need to stop being in the past, be in the present, prepare yourself for this beautiful future. Lovely. Yes, again, swords energy, you're healing. This is the King of Swords energy, the King of Cups energy, which talks about healing coming into your life, healing this situation, healing the pain and the and the feeling of desolation, the feeling of unrespected, undervalued that you are feeling, because that has dimmed your light, that has dimmed your confidence, your self-worth, your self-esteem. But healing to these areas is coming into your life, and that is the reason you need to be in the high vibrational. Even in the beginning, when you start making these affirmations or listen to affirmations on YouTube about the I am affirmations, the gratitude affirmations, the healing affirmations, even when you start in the beginning, it feels like it's not true, you're acting up. But as you keep repeating it, as you keep listening to it, your unconscious draws it in, and it becomes your consciousness, and that changes the way you feel, the way you think, the way you act, and that attracts more high vibrational energy into your life. So to begin with, you may feel you're lying when you say I am powerful, I am confident, because you're not feeling that. But continue the process and you will be in that energy. This is the beginning. In November, you'll see these energies when you are working on healing yourself. These energies will start moving, and then towards the end of November, or even it may spill into December, when you'll see them working out for you. Beautiful, Libra. Love it. Courage. You are being asked to just have patience, to believe in yourself, because the strength, the power, the confidence, the high self-esteem is within you. You've been through this rocky surface, you've sown your seeds, you've worked hard for it, but now you just need to be patient. Give yourself this healing time, so that the small sapling can come out of it, which will have you'll see the fruition of it after a while. Okay, but you need to sow the seeds right now, to believe in yourself, to have faith in what you are and who you are and what you bring to the table. Okay, I'll leave you with one final card from this beautiful Keepers of the Light oracle. This may add to the message, or it may just confirm the message that we have seen, that you just need to believe in yourself, Libra. It's all within you. Let's see which archangel, which ascended master, or which angel comes out to give you a word of guidance. Okay, let's see who stepped in your reading. Oh, beautiful. Faith. It's a confirmation. Haven't I been saying have faith in yourself? And we've drawn the faith card. Humanity and benevolence. Stay calm. Heal the wound. Okay, trust the good in yourself and others. Trust in yourself. Have faith in yourself. See the light in the world, your inner world. See the light is there. Just believe in yourself. Draw it out and help yourself heal before you actually move out into making a decision. Okay, I hope and pray that this beautiful message works out into your life soon. Okay, I wish you all the very best. Please remember to like the video, share it on your social media, and definitely subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I'll see you soon, Libra. Namaste.